Good morning to everyone. Now we are going to discuss about Arduino in the subject Internet of Things for Production System. What is Arduino? Arduino, it is one of the type of open source electronic platform. It is mainly based upon the type of hardware and also type of software which is used in the Arduino board. Before going into the topic, we must want to know what is the closed source software and also what is open source software. For example, if you take an Microsoft Office, it is one of the type of closed source electronic platform. That means in Microsoft Office, the source code will not be available for everyone. And also, if we want to change anything or any program or any database in the Microsoft Office, that source code is only available to only the creator. We can't able to modify the code. But in case of open source electronic platform like a Linux or Arduino IDE, the source code is available to everyone. Anyone can able to view, copy, learn and modify the code. Next we are discuss about what is open source software and closed source hardware. In the case of open source hardware, the schematic will be available to everyone. Example, Arduino boards. Arduino boards is freely available in the market. Whereas in the case of closed source hardware, the schematic and other details will not be available. For example, in case of mobile phones, its mobile motherboard, laptop motherboard, it is not freely available in the market. It is one of the example of open source hardware why we are using Arduino board. Next, what do Arduino do? From the environment, it is used to read the data, and also to the environment it is used to send the commands to the environment. For example, it is used to read the light intensity. We can also read the temperature of the surroundings. We can also able to read the wind flow. For example, wind flow, and also for example we can collect the fingerprint on with the help of different types of sensors. These are all some of the examples with the help of Arduino board we can able to read the data, and also we can able to send the command to the environment. For example, for activating the motor, turning on the tube light, publishing something online. These are all some of the examples we can do with the help of the Arduino board. Next, we are going to discuss about how Arduino do all this. Each Arduino board has a microcontroller. By sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the Arduino board, we can do different types of amazing projects. Here, it is an example why Arduino board is called an open source electronic platform. It has open source hardware and also it has an open source software. In case of open source hardware, the Arduino board, circuit board is readily available. We can easily programmed and also referred to as a microcontroller of brain. In case of software, the ready-made software is easily available on the internet. That is Arduino IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. In Arduino IDE, we can able to write, compile, upload any type of data. And also we can easily transfer computer code to physical board in case of Arduino IDE software. So the Arduino is determined as an open source electronic platform. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software used to build the electronic projects. All Arduino boards have one thing in common, which is the microcontroller. A microcontroller is basically really a small computer. With the help of the Arduino, you can design and build devices that can interact with your surroundings. The Arduino boards are basically a tool for controlling electronics. They are able to read inputs with their onboard microcontroller. Example, light on a sensor, an object near a sensor, and turn it onto an output. We can also drive a motor with the help of an Arduino board, ring an alarm, turning on an LED, display information on an LCD. These are all some of the applications of an Arduino board. With the help of an Arduino, makers and electricians can easily prototype their products and make their ideas come to life.